Hey, hello guys, welcome to Cloud Learning channel. So I hope everybody is doing good and if you are in cloud computing is in IT industry and you are working for cloud, this channel is for you. Okay, ask any of your question and I will be happy to answer those. Today we are going to learn about AWS Cloud Formation, like how it is used in AWS, and you can watch my complete AWS playlist in playlist sections. uh, there is a complete playlist of different videos, right? You can get the my complete course as well, and that link is also available in in the description. Now, before we start the video, I request you to watch the complete video so that you can understand the thing in a better way, and we will cover the practical part, we will cover the theoretical part, right? So if this looks interesting to you, please subscribe this channel and share it with your friends. So let's start with this. So what is cloud formation? Cloud formation, if you see, it is used for speed up cloud provisioning with infra as a code. So if you heard about this term, infra as a code, so this is for you. There are different kind of tools available right now. Cloud formation is one of that, which is from very starting. And if you see, Terraform is also a very popular version. Okay, most of the companies you will find that they are using Terraform actually, and Terraform is very handy. Okay, cloud formation is specifically for AWS. Terraform is specifically for, it can support number of different providers like it AWS, Azure, and the different one. Now now the point is like how to use cloud formation. It basically you do actually, like, you write the code into as a cloud formation template, and then you upload it as a stack in cloud formation. What it do, based on your codes, it create the resources for you in AWS. Okay, and then when you delete the stack when you delete the stack, it delete the cloud formation, the resources which it created as well. Okay, so that is another interesting thing, right? Like how it is useful. Suppose, uh, like, if you do the things manually, right? In manually, there are a lot of possibility that we can lose someone, right? So we can do the manual efforts, right? Manual process to create the resources, right? But if we do that, it is very much possible that we miss something, okay, as a human error, right? But if we create the resources via cloud formation, we can easily create the resources, and possibility to human error is very low, right? Now suppose something goes delete. Okay, now something goes delete, some resource got delete or the environment got corrupted. If the environment become unstable, you just need to run the cloud formation stack again, and it will create the missing resources, right? So this is the advantage of primary advantage of cloud formation, and the same concept come with Terraform as well. Okay, so cloud formation applicable for AWS, Terraform applicable for every other resource. So you should learn Terraform as well. Okay, now creation of the resources. So if you code is written in basically JSON and YAML stack. Okay, so cloud formation code is written in JSON or YAML format. Okay, you can use anyone. What you need to do, you need to create a stack, and then that is by using a stack, you can deploy resources in one account. Okay. Now they come up with the other solution which is called stack set. So you can create stack set to deploy cloud formation code in AWS organization or multiple AWS account. Okay, hope it help you, right? So this is the benefit. Now how to do the things, let's see the practically. Okay, what are the other options are available. It is also useful, like you can write the code as a, you can write the code in form of cloud formation stack, and in case of DR you can, in case of DR you can create the new resources, right, at DR site easily. Okay, so this is another advantage, right? And this way it also provide high availability and the other benefits. Okay, so how to do that, we need to create a stack there. Okay, it is good practice if whatever the infra we have, we use cloud formation or terraform, right? And apart from this, it is like we need to create stack or stack set as per our requirement, and then deploy resources, right? So we, and then deploy resources, deploy cloud formation stack via uploading that from S3 bucket or from your system. Okay, so let's see how practically it works. I hope it gives you sufficient information. If you like the information, please hit a like button and share with your friends. Now, here you need to go to AWS and you go to Cloud Formation Service. Okay. Now, when you go Cloud Formation, it will open like this. Okay. You will get this kind of console. Now you need to check like which region you are. Okay. I normally use US East one, so I'm using this. Now there is one option like stack and another option is stack set. Okay. So how to do that? Click on create stack. Now, if you have your template ready, you can use template is ready and you can pick it from S3 bucket. Okay, you can keep your template there and you can upload it. Or you can upload a template file from your system as well. Okay, the other options are available, like they have provided some sample templates. If it is useful for you, you can do that, or you can take the reference to see the codes. Okay, so there are different kind of templates available. CloudFormation also provide different sample templates. You can take it for the reference. Here, if you go, there are different templates available. Okay, this is very useful for you. Like you can browse simple templates and you can utilize that one. Now, see, like if you are creating a EC2 instance for say, so it will create an Amazon EC2 instance in Amazon EC2 security group, right? And you can utilize this one. So if you open this, this is the code which is written for you, and you can use this one. Okay. Now what it says, like if you see there are different kind of, okay, I would like to put some light on this. So there is one important thing is called parameters. Okay. So when you deploy the cloud formation stack, we have one option like we can use the sample template. So for now, I am using the sample template. So I say like for lamp stack, okay. I will create the lamp stack. Uh, there is for single region, there is for multi-AG region, and the other templates are there. We have Ruby on Rail, we have WordPress blog, we have lamp stack. Okay, so I go for lamp stack for now. So if you choose this, if you see this is coming from one S3 bucket. Okay, then I go to the next. It is called like lamp stack, sorry. So I put the name of lamp stack. Parameters. So if you see there are few parameters which we need to specify like what will be the database and how to utilize this one kind of those things, right? So DB name you can use database and DB name suppose I give here cloud learning. This is my DB. So these are parameters. So if you see the code, this is having the parameters. Okay, what would be the parameters? So this is called parameters right now here. Okay, these things are parameters and these are the things where you will decide your values. Okay, so I'm giving here like cloud learning db password at the rate 123 should be one which should work. Just to remove the complexity I just put password 123. DB root password again I put password 123. DB user admin instance type you can choose like T2 small. So now if you see that there are a different range is also available for this parameter. So I would like to show you the code. If you see parameters and then instance type and instance type there are allowed values. Okay, there are allowed values. Description type string default value T2 dot small and these are the allowed values, right? Then if you go further it is like constant description. So these are the values which you are seeing here. Okay, these values you are seeing here. I put t2 dot small and then again like value is key pair. So this is a different template however, but it is almost quite similar to that. Then I can put the key pair, right? So I have one key and I can put the SSH location. So these are my parameters. Now, if I go on the next tab, so it will not allow a space, so that's why I put lamp stack there. Next, add new tags. Tags is there. Okay, if you want to add some tags here, you can add. Then permission. So permission is there. It will create the new permission. Right now it is optional. Stack failure options, right? So it will be like suppose your stack got failed, okay, due to some reason. So what it should do? It will roll back all the resources which are created, which is actually good practice because your environment should be clean. And or the other option could be preserve successfully provision resources. Okay, so these kind of couple options could be there. Preserve successfully provision resources. This could be another option. So it will allow like whatever the resources has been created, it will not roll back uh, and it will not terminate, right? Now, when you rerun the step, what will the benefit like? You don't need to create those resources again. Okay, so for now, I keep preserve successfully provision resources. The other options are stack policy. If you want to define some stack policy, you can define that. Okay, this stack policy is something like if you want to keep few resources secure. Okay, and want to avoid them from unintentional updates. Okay, so you can apply a stack policy. Rollback configuration we have seen, like when it should roll back. Okay, so you can specify time like, okay, my resources should be created into 15 minutes. Okay, if it is not getting created in 15 minutes, then it will start rollback. Okay, then go further, notification options, to whom you want to notify. Okay, suppose my activity got created, so CF notification, let me create a SNS topic name and I give my email address there. Okay, kind of that I can create the notification channel. I got some error, SNS topic was not created. Topic, this status code 4 error. So I got some error message. Let me just check again. So it is like create new SNS topic, CF notification, email ID, create. This is successful now, right? Okay, the space was there, that's why it was not allowing. What else you can do? So now my notification got create. Okay guys, what are the other option like timeout period? You can decide like when it will consider the timeout, and you can also set up the termination protection. It is good practice like so that somebody not disable the, not delete the cloud formation stack by mistake. Okay, once the cloud formation stack got deleted, this means that your resources will get also deleted. So that is something which we need to take care, and ideally we should keep it activated. Okay, now if I go there, I'm good with the review. And what I did, I created a lamp stack. I use a lamp stack template, and then I set up some parameters value. I set up some options like for notifications. The rest options are fine, and I can submit it. Now if you see whatever is written there in the stack, it will get implemented, right? So this way you can create your VPC and the other different things you can set up. Okay, so now if you see this template, parameters, key values. Now if you see this template actually, right, so I can go through like on the last when you see the template, reference template, you can help to create the other one as well. So you see key name is there, DB name is there, DB password is there. These were the templates or parameters which we use, right? And then there used to be mapping like every like T1, if somebody select T2.nano, okay, or maybe I select T2.small, which AMI instance it should go for, it is mapped from here. Okay, so there is a mapping for these things, and using this mapping actually your resources get created. Okay, so this is the way how you create your resources. Then again, now the other part is like what resources will get created. So there are couple of important things which I said in cloud formation stack. One is cloud formation parameters, right? Another thing is resources. Another thing is output. Okay, so this is required actually. So now we think like, okay, what resources will be created? So it will create one EC2 resource. It will create and install some packages there. So yum, MySQL Server, MySQL Labs, HTTPD for Apache, PHP for reference. It will install into LAMP stack. Okay, and it will launch one instance, and there it will work, right? Now, what it will do, like it will go to this folder where www.index.php and it puts some content there. Okay, it will put some content there. Further, if you go, So what it will do, like it is putting some content. What the content is, welcome to AWS confirmation PHP sample page. Okay. I hope you are getting some good idea, right? If you spend time, you can get some good information there. Okay, I'm just trying to help you with the cloud formation stack, how it works. If you go down further, uh, there are another thing which you need to notice is output. Okay, it is also creating a security group. So if you see, the security group will also get create, which would be like enable HTTP port via port 80, and we are allowing ingress protocol, which is 80. Okay, for which location 0.0 source. Output would be your website URL, and in the output I can get the output for HTTPS, and it will get the details of web server instance plus its domain name, and it will generate the output. Okay, so these are the important things which is like applicable in this stack. But if you are creating a VPC, there would be VPC resources information and such kind of other information. Right now, what it should create, it is creating lamp stack with this, and right now we see it's in process. Now, if I go to EC2 service, because I deployed into Sydney in northeast region, right? If I go to EC2 service, North Virginia, so you can see one instance is running now. So it is created by my cloud formation stack, and it is t2.micro, as you can see, right? And if you see further, uh, this stack will have the information of all the softwares which we created, right? And the lamp stack, right? And it also created one security group. So if you go to security group, you should find one security group also there, which is like lamp stack web server security group. Okay, so this is the security group, and it should allow 80 port from anyone. So this is the benefit of this. I hope you got now, right? Now the benefit is like, okay, this resource is created, right? Now let's see how it is working. So I go to stack. It is still in process, right? But I can see like which resources got created: web server instance and web server security group. And if you see the output, which is the important point, right? And we are still waiting for the output thing. Once it will be there, we can access the lamp stack URL. Okay, these are the parameters values which you put. So I hope this video is remain useful for you. What I can show you, output is taking some time. However, once it get complete, now I think I can see that if I refresh it. So it is still in process. Create complete, create complete. Okay. So output will come in a while. Meanwhile, even if I go to my EC2 server and I choose instances, and I choose this instance public IP, public URL, I can show you that lamp stack should be working now. See, so welcome to the AWS Cloud Formation PHP sample page. The current date is this, and you can see my lamp stack is actually got start working, and it installed the PHP as well. Okay, so this is very much feasible here, and you can see still the output is not there, but it will come soon. So that is fine. But we understood like how it was working. Okay guys, so here we successfully seen one stack is there, and if you go to stack on this option, your lamp stack is almost got create, and it is ready, and we can access it with the help of instance ID we have seen. And once the output got complete, once the output get come, we will be able to see the lamp stack value as well. But I hope now you got some good idea like how it is working and what you can do now. Now the another thing is important that if you see delete this resource, okay, if you go ahead or maybe like if you go ahead and delete this stack, okay, what will happen? First we need to deactivate this, and now just think, I need to delete this. What I will do? I go to delete and delete the stack, right? What will happen that this stack will start deleting the resources. So this is how it is useful. Like I don't need to go the search and think like okay what are the relevant things. It will automatically delete the relevant things which are associated with the template, right? And if I have to build that environment again, I don't need to remember all the things. I don't need to check the configuration. I will go to CloudFormation stack and I can apply that one. Doesn't it helpful, right? It is quite helpful, right? Like now if I need to deploy it again, I can just go there and deploy it again. It will work fine. Okay, so this way CloudFormation stack is usually used to be very helpful. And same with the Terraform, now the new technology is used and Terraform is getting used. Now, suppose this stack you want to deploy at multiple region and multiple region and multiple accounts. What you will do, you can use stack set. Earlier this option was not there. Now they have this option. Okay. So stack set you can use. I don't want to keep this video too long, so watch my next video and I will cover the stack set option here. But till now, I hope you got some good idea. Please let me know in comment section if you find this video useful, and this will boost myself, right? And thank you for learning. Wish you great day. If you want to go for the complete course and a lifetime complete course with the lifetime access where you can learn easily, watch my playlist and you can also get enrolled into my course. That would be very helpful for you. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you are looking for trainings also, I am available for trainings. If you are from US, UK, uh, a different location, right, I can help you for clearing the exam certification at very low cost. Thank you.